iRobot Roomba cleans routinely, so you don't have to. Just with the push of a button, maintain a cleaner floor every day. With Roomba, stay ahead of messy floors with the touch of a button. Just press the Clean button and Roomba gets to work. The iRobot Roomba is very easy to operate and scheduling is easy on model 560 and above. Smart and efficient, Roomba self-adjusts from carpet to hard floors by adjusting its cleaning head. Roomba is equipped with counter-rotating brushes that lift an amazing amount of dirt, dust and other debris. A powerful vacuum picks up fine dust and sand. When Roomba detects a particularly dirty area, it will spend more time there where additional attention is needed. By means of its behaviour, Roomba will always cover your entire floor and cover most parts several times. Models 560 and above have a virtual wall lighthouse system that directs Roomba to completely vacuum one room before moving to the next. Roomba's compact shape allows it to vacuum beneath most beds, furniture and other hard-to-reach places where dirt and dust tends to accumulate. The innovative spinning side brush removes accumulated debris along wall edges and out of corners. Roomba features cliff sensors that avoid the robot from falling downstairs and cliffs. When something blocks Roomba's brushes, the brush stall feature kicks in, avoiding Roomba from getting stuck. When Roomba is ready, it returns to its home base to get charged for its next cleaning cycle. iRobot Roomba lets you do more of what you want to do and less of what you have to do. It cleans routinely, so you don't have to.
Robotexpert.co.uk. Your number one in domestic robots.